Hi, my name is Mano Zalpuri. I am North American operation head for the Piramal Pharma Solution cluster. Our cluster is basically four manufacturing sites. We have an API sites in Riverview, Michigan, and Aurora, Canada. We have a sterile finish site where I'm here today, and we have an OSD site, which is oral solid dose site in Sellersville, Pennsylvania. So as a region, we basically do anything from a small molecule, and at the end we make them in the vials and to the patients, and we can do anything from a gram to a kg scale operations in the region. Yeah, we do exciting therapies, and when this medicine is injected or given as in form of oral capsules or tablet to a patient, and we are trying to do the development on a time so that the millions of patients waiting for a therapy to get cured or even extend their life, that gives me a lot of gratitude that we are serving to the patients and delivering our promise to the patients. This is a great significance to me because we are talking about this expansion from a long time. I think this will bring all the people at the site, what promises we are doing in terms of expansion and make more large-scale operations here and can serve millions of patients because we'll be making in scale production here. No, as a North American operation, we tend to be very agile. We want to be flexible. Our core competence is operation excellence. We try to make sure that we are delivering on-time delivery to our customers and patients to bring this medicine on time. And safety and quality is the most important thing we do in our business.